Hello students, welcome to our maths class. We had already learned about integers in part 1. Now today in part 2 we will study operation on integers and with their properties. So look at some our interesting slides. Now properties of integers. There are 4 properties of integer: closure property, associative property, commutative property, distributive property. So we are applying operation on integer. There are 4 operation on integer. First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and fourth is division. Now first property, closure property. So what we are doing for closure property, it tells about if a and b are 2 integers. So what is our operation? A plus b, a minus b, a multiplied b is also an integer. Look at some example here. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. There were 2 positive integers, so we will get positive value only. Here next operation on subtraction, that is 7 minus 5 equals to 2. After that there were 2 negative integers. If I am going to multiply, so we will get 10. Next is associative property. In associative property we are making here grouping of numbers. Changing the grouping of numbers that are either being added or multiplied doesn't change its value. So look at here example. Here there are integers are given. If I am grouping of numbers, if I am here doing grouping of numbers, so it cannot be change its value. It means changing the group of numbers that either be added or either we are going to multiply, it doesn't change its value. Next is commutative property. In commutative property, there were 2 integers a plus b equals to b plus a. If we apply addition on this, so we will get vice versa. If I am going to multiply x into y, so we will get y into x. What is the formula of commutative property for addition? Here the position of a plus b here comes on the right side, b plus a. Next is, what is the law? Commutative law, rule or property. In addition, there were some balls are given, 2 rows are given and 6 columns are there. So if I am going to add here, so we will get 6 plus 2, that is 8. How we are going to write? 2 plus 6 also, it is equals to 8. So our commutative law is a plus b equals to b plus a. Now check for multiplication. Again there are some balls here. 2 rows is given and 3 columns is given. If I am going to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 6. If I am going to here interchange the value, 2 multiplied by 3, so also it will be get 6. So in addition and multiplication, number may be added or multiplied together in any order. So this is our commutative law. Next is multiplication of integers. Here change in order of multiplication doesn't alter the product. That means commutative property. Look at some example here. 3 multiplied by in bracket negative integer. So what we will get here? The position will be changed. Minus 4 multiplied by 3, that is equals to negative integer, it means minus 12. So next is additive integer. Additive means what? 0 is the additive identity for any integer. If I am going to add additive identity with negative integer or positive integer, what is the change here? There is no change in this value. Add 0 to any integer, the number remains unchanged. Next property here, distributive law. Distributive law means if I am going to distribute chocolate to in my class, so this is called a distributive property. So that's what here in integer I have 3 integers a, b, c. If I am going to distribute here a multiplied by b in bracket with addition, after that a multiplied by c here, so what we will get? AB plus AC. Look at some example here. What is the answer of 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 here? So look at this one, 2 multiplied by 4. What we will get? This one, 2 multiplied by 4 here. After that addition here, again if I am going to multiply this number to next one, so it will be get next value. After that, division of integers. If I am going to divide any two integer with same sign, what we will get? Quotient. Quotient means that will positive quotient. If I am going to divide with two different sign, the quotient will be negative only. So look at some example here. There were two positive integer. If I am going to divide here, so we will get positive quotient here. Next example, when dividing two number with different sign here, so our quotient will be negative only. So this is all about our operation on integer with our closure property, associative property, multiplication and division. So hope you all enjoy with this integers. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.